Hi everyone, thank you for joining this presentation. My name is Rayane and I'm a PhD student at Federal University of Santa Catarina. Today I'd like to share with you our recent findings on the effects of long-term exposure of tetracycline on a culture of ammonia oxidizing bacteria. The wastewater from food production animals is remarked by the high concentration of antibiotics used in swine breeding. Moreover, conventional wastewater treatment plants aren't able to effectively remove those drugs, so antibiotics are discharged to the environment, becoming a potential risk for human and ecological health. Indeed, antibiotics can inhibit the nitrification process, leading to eutrophication and soil acidification. In this work, we operated a sequential batch reactor of 1.5 liter inoculated with an enriched culture of ALB for 70 days. The reactor temperature was set at 32 degrees and the hydraulic retention time was fixed at 2.75 days. During 26 days, the reactor was operated without tetracycline and reached an ammonium conversion efficiency of 96%, with ammonium being completely converted to nitrite. On day 27, tetracycline was added to the reactor at 100 mg per liter. Here, we didn't observe significant effects of TC on the ammonium conversion efficiency nor the concentration of nitrogenous compounds. However, we noticed foaming caused by TC exposure. Later, on day 56, TC was increased to 128 mg per liter. The foam was still coming out from the reactor, and the ammonium conversion efficiency reduced from 94 to 72%. We also analyzed the extracellular polymeric substances and the soluble microbial products generated during this process, and their main fractions, the polysaccharides and proteins. The exposure to TC increased the EPS content mainly by increasing the protein fraction. Likewise, SNP also increased after TC exposure. The stimulation of EPS by TC could be related to a cellular defense mechanism under environmental stress. In contrast, the increase of SNP could be associated with the release of EPS from microbial floc and the cell lysis induced by TC. So, this study indicates that wastewater with high concentration of TC from food-producing animals could impact the treated effluent quality. Firstly, by decreasing the ALB activity, TC compromises the treatment efficiency, resulting in an effluent with a high concentration of ammonia. Likewise, the stimulation of SMP production increases the content of organic matter on the final effluent. And if you are interested in your work, I invite you to scan the QR code at the end of this slide, where you can find more details about this research. Thanks for the attention.